Okay.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay. Okay. You want inside the refrigerator clean too? Okay. Will all this stuff be here? Okay, cool, cool. So we cleaning inside the cabinets too? Okay. Do you want us to remove the grease? Okay. And on top of the surfaces over there? Okay. All right, so remove all the grease. Thank you for joining us once again. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of a job that I got recommended for. So, this family I did a job for some time back, and now they want us to help them again. This time in a different location, one of the homes that are not normally used. Okay. All right, so we'll clean it and then we'll sanitize it. Oh, no problem. We'll take care of that. That's no problem. Okay. You want the doors clean and everything too?
The who?
The walls?
Yeah.
And the doors?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So the bathroom is still to be cleaned out. Clean the walls. Steam clean the walls. Steam clean the tiles. Clean the windows. Sanitize nicely. So as you can see, it is ready to get used. Yes, sir. So let's go back to the kitchen. Now, in the kitchen, one thing that we are doing is, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put all my chemicals, right, my cleaning products, I'm going to put it on the surfaces so my cleaning products will start doing this job. So while my cleaning products are doing this job, I can concentrate somewhere else, right? I don't want to clean anything on the bottom till I finish cleaning everything on top, right? So that's what I'm doing now. I'm concentrating on the walls, cleaning the walls. I know that when I'm cleaning, steam cleaning the walls, it's going to be some, dirt droppings that's going to fall on top of the surfaces below. So I'm not going to clean the surfaces below. So this is one tip. I'm giving you a lot of tips. I hope you're catching the tips that I'm giving. Now I am cleaning the ceiling, right? I'm cleaning the ceiling to remove the smells. I'm removing the grease stains that are on top of the ceiling, just like I'm doing on top of the walls. You see how the walls look now? And then when I go back on the other side, you see how it looks. Yes, this is what we're trying to do. So the ceiling is also going to get cleaned. All these walls, brown walls, also get cleaned. And you can see the difference, if you could tell, the lights, very dark brown, and the white, right? So this is how the ceiling is the process of how I get the ceiling to get cleaned, remove the grease on top of it, and then makes it look good. So enjoy. I also gave the kitchen a restaurant level deep cleaning. I went in and took the steam and I used the steam to clean, to remove all food particles that will be stored in small places, right? Give it a very thorough cleaning. The microwave, the kitchen, the stove, everything got a good cleaning. And then now, this is how it looks after everything has been cleaned in the kitchen. The walls are cleaned. You can see it looks marvelous. It looks like, it wasn't even brown. On the shelves are all cleaned out. The grease are removed. Inside, you see a steam cleaning it. This is how it looks after that. Stove top also. This is how it looks after being cleaned and steam cleaned. So this is the level you can expect from us when you book extreme deep cleaning services with us, which is available on our website. So you go on our website, you can book, extreme deep cleaning services. And this is how it looks inside a refrigerator. So let's move on to another part. The ceiling, you can see, it looks much better now, right? This is what you can expect. This is what our customer wanted and our customer got it, right? So now, all these walls got cleaned. Now, this is the living room area. This is the window. This is the window has been fully cleaned. This is after everything has been cleaned. So I'm gonna open it so you can see how it looks after it's cleaned. Looks very, very nice. Right? You can open your window. You're not ashamed when you get visitors. Right? And now let me show you how it looked before we cleaned. So this is the process. This is how it looked before. This is how it looked before. So now we clean on top of it. This is after everything has been cleaned. So the top also cleaned out nice. So this is the living room. Like I said, this house is not used on the regular. So it was just place that's been sitting for a while. So these plants have been sitting there for a while. But all these plants got thrown away. The carpet is going to get vacuumed. Take all the stuff away from there, and then we give it a good cleaning. The customer does not want the carpet, they just wanted a good, vacuuming. So that's what we're going to do. And now this is how it looks after we have vacuumed and removed the old plants. So this is how it looks now. The walls also, we did wipe down the walls and clean the baseboards. So everything is over now that you see. This is just a few pictures showing you the process and the before and the afters. If you like it, please let us hear from you. Drop us a comment, share. If you're in New York City and you're looking for a good deep cleaning company, we hope that you will look us up and then give us a recommendation. If you're not the one looking for service, but you know somebody that could use our services, we would definitely appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Hopefully this gives you a little idea about Eco Cleaning Experts LLC. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Enjoy.